Zwititshi zwa ndingo dza u reila fha mabopane zwo no shanduka vha madumba sa vhunga u sa vhonali muthu ngomu kana u mona nazwo.
This is actually my 5th time that I've come around to collect my license, but unfortunately, as you can see, the place is closed. I live in the Midrand area, Centurion area. There were no bookings available there. The only booking I was able to get was here in Mabopane.
I was here to collect my driver's license, but fortunately they were closing. And I'm very much disappointed because I spent a lot of money and this is not for the first time.
Phanda vha vhadzulapo vha khou lwa vhukuma hune vha khou vhila vhashumi vha khwine.
MEC Mamabolo and Minister Mbalula must do the noble thing. Suspend the system. Restart consultation with any other stakeholder, driving school community members. Then, after finalizing all consultation processes, introduce a system that shall be user-friendly.
Moses Chozoralo, vhane vha zwikolo zwa u gudisa u reila vhane vha vha tshiṱerekeni vho thudzela kule mavharivhari a uri vho shushedza vhashumi vha ita no vha tshuwisa nga uri vha ḓo vha vhulaha.
Since the strike started on the 24th, we didn't make any threats to the workers of the department.
We won't intimidate the workers. The workers doesn't have any problem with us. We don't have any problem with them.
Vhane vha zwikolo zwa u gudisa u reila na MEC wa zwa vhuendi vunḓuni ḽa Gauteng vha khou ḓo fara muṱangano wa u tandulula dandetande iḽi.